Welcome all. This is our lecture 28, and in this lecture we will see when we will learn how to use comments in HTML and CSS. As we have put some comments in C, Java and in other languages, so there are some provisions in HTML also by which we can use comments in our code. This is our way to use a comment in HTML code. We have to use this sign, exclamatory sign, and two dashes, and have to put our text here, and again close this by this. Okay, this is the very simple way to write comments in HTML codes. Comments are used to explain. We are all know about these comments, and as you all know, comments are ignored by browsers. It means these comments will not show on the in the output screen. This was the way to use comments in HTML, and in CSS we can use by this as slash star. Put your comments here, again star and slash. We can use this. You can take and you can see the example here. Okay, let's see an example. Here we have changed the property of p tag and make an comment here. Set the color to red. Here we have used a comment in HTML. Okay, so by this you can use comments in your web pages and web pages codings. So this is all done in this lecture.